In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in Proton Mail using Chrome. Let's get started with the first step, which is logging into your Proton Mail account. Open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Proton Mail website. Once there, enter your login credentials and access your inbox. This is your home base where we'll initiate the process. Make sure to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't logged in for a while, as updates might subtly change the interface. Now that we're in, let's head over to the settings area. You'll find the settings option on the top right of your screen, a little gear icon. Click on it, and a menu will appear. In this menu, look for filters or forwarding. This section is where all your forwarding and filtering magic will happen. Clicking here directs you to a new page where you have control over the management of your emails. Once you're on the filters or forwarding page, you'll see an option that reads Add a forwarding address. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter the email address you want your Proton Mail to forward messages to. Carefully type the complete email address in the space provided. Accuracy is crucial here, so double check to make sure there are no typos, as this will ensure that all your intended emails end up where they should. After entering your desired forwarding email address, you might be required to verify it. If prompted, this essentially means Proton Mail wants to ensure that you have access to the forwarding email address. Follow the steps provided, which typically involve checking your other email account for a verification message. Once you locate it, click on the verification link or enter a code as directed. This extra step safeguards your email security, so don't skip it if it's requested. With the forwarding address verified, it's time to enable automatic forwarding for all incoming emails. Look for a toggle switch or checkbox beside the newly added forwarding address. Click it to turn on forwarding. This is an important step to ensure that the feature is active, allowing your incoming mails to be routed to your designated address seamlessly. Finally, before you exit, don't forget to save your changes. At the bottom or top of the forwarding settings page, there will be a save button. Click on it to confirm and store all the adjustments you've made. This step is crucial to apply the settings and make sure they take effect immediately. And that's it. You've successfully set up email forwarding in Proton Mail on Chrome. Now, emails sent to your Proton Mail will also